Hello! Congratulations on arriving at the Achieve 3000 Castle. It's time you get started using our Big Kid program. You need to understand that Big Kid programs don't usually have as many fun games and songs like you had in Smarty Ants. But that's okay, because the articles that you will read in Achieve will be real news from the real world. You're going to learn lots of interesting things you didn't know before. The first thing you'll do in Achieve 3000 is take a test called the LevelSet. This test will measure your reading ability before you start reading articles. It is very important that you give it your best effort, so Achieve knows just what level of article is right for you. Unfortunately, you cannot take your LevelSet test on your iPad. You will need to have your teacher help you get to a computer to take the test. You'll also need the page from your teacher with your username and password for Achieve. I'm going to switch over to a live view so that you can watch me go through the steps. Then I'll help you get started doing it yourself. You won't be able to pause and go do these things along with me, so watch the video very carefully and try to remember everything that you're going to do. You can do that, right? The computer that you have has the Symbaloo on it, then you can click on this red button for Achieve 3000. That will take you right to the login screen. If you're missing the Symbaloo on the computer that you're on, just go up here to the top and type in achieve3000.com. That is on your paper, by the way. And then click User Login up here in the corner. And that's going to take you to the same place. You'll get this page. Now this page is asking for a username and password, so you're going to have to look on the paper to find out what that is. You should have a page something like this. It'll have your name right here. And then here's the instructions that I just told you about. And then down here is your username and password, so yours will look different than this sample one. Okay, so I'm going to type this in. Now I have to be very careful about it. These little dots in here, those are important. You have to put those in and they have to be in exactly the right place. Also, don't use capital letters unless you see capital letters on this paper. Okay, so I'm going to come back here and I'm going to type in that information. Sally.sample.3 and her password is hat. Okay, but you put your information in, of course. So I'm going to click Login. Now I've already started this, so it's saying welcome back. You'll get a screen that looks very much like this, except it's going to say, you know, welcome to Achieve 3000, and it's going to tell you that you need to take this test. So you'll click a yellow button, just like this one that says next. Then it's going to start giving you questions. It'll start at question 1 and they'll start very easy and they'll get harder. So you can see I'm already on question 12. But you need to do exactly what it says. It says read it. People grow and sell food. Now do it. They have blank. So if people grow and sell food, do they have shoes? Do they have nests, homes, or farms? Well, I think they have farms. So I'm going to choose that answer. I'm just going to click on it. And you see it just took me right on to question 13. Now it's not telling you if you're getting the questions right or wrong. It's just going to keep giving you questions and they'll get a little more difficult. So I probably got that last question right because this one is a little bit harder. So it's going to see if I can do something tougher. So now I'm going to read this paragraph and I'm going to answer that question. You're just going to keep doing that until you get all the way through. There'll be about 30 questions. So take your time, do your very best answering those questions. Okay, when you get done with the test, it'll tell you that you're done, and I don't want you to do anything else in Achieve 3000 until you have come back to BridgeQuest and moved on to the next tab, because I want to explain to you how to do your first article. Okay, now it's your turn. Log into Achieve using the information on your paper. Then answer all of the test questions. Be sure to do your very best. When you finish, you'll be ready for the next tab in BridgeQuest, where I will explain how to do your first article. I can't wait to see what you can do.